Don't disturb me. Can't you see I'm giving a test?
Oops, sorry.
Now say whatever you want to say.
So did you give the test?
Yes, I have learned from my mistake and appeared for pre-prediction too.
How was the test?
The test was very good and it helped me to understand my problems.
So what now?
Now I'm waiting for the result and live analysis of the test so that I can refine my approach.
Any advice for the aspirants?
I hope that you have given the test. If not, then leave everything and attempt the test. Let's sit in the analysis together on 14th Feb.